You can't tell me this is not my hair. You can't tell me this is not my hair. This is my hair. This is my hair. For real though. Like, it blends so well. Y'all, I recommend. For real though.
One spliff a day, keep the evil away. One spliff a day, keep the evil away.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a hair review on the Mongolian Kinky Curly Isee. What is it called? I don't even remember. The Mongolian Kinky Curly Isee Beauty Hair. Oh, it's Isee Beauty Hair Company. So this is a unit that I made. It's a flip over wig. This is the same wig that I made in my previous video, and this is also the same hair that I reviewed in my unboxing hair review. If you guys would like to see those videos, those previous videos, I'm gonna link it in the description below. This is 2 bundles of 14 inches. I believe I paid from the range of $50 to $70. I'm not exactly sure. I bought this hair about 6 months ago, so I really don't remember how much I paid for it. But once I, do my research and find the receipts and stuff, I'll go through my bank statements to see how much I paid and stuff. Then I will put it down below and let you guys know how much I paid for the hair. The shipping was 3 days. It was really fast shipping. I've never purchased the hair online and got my hair in 3 days. It usually takes 5 to 7 business days, but this was 3 days and I got my hair. So the shipping is great with this company. Shedding is also a plus. It sheds. I mean, it's natural hair. Hair period sheds when you comb through hair. There's gonna be shedding, but it's not so much shedding to the point where you're just combing through your hair and you're just getting clumps of hair. It's not like shedding like that. Easy to detangle and it's very easy to maintain. This is a very low maintenance type of hair. It's very low maintenance. I really didn't have to do much with this hair, and it blends really well with my hair. It's very soft. As you can see, this front part is my hair, and this is the hair. It's very soft. Yeah, super soft. And this hair gets even bigger than that. I'm gonna show you guys how to pin this back because it's getting wild. Hold on. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna show you guys how easy how this hair looks when it's wet. Like right now it's not wet, but it's not like completely dry. Cause I wet this hair before I wet and conditioned this hair before I started this video, but in the midst of preparing for this video, it poofed right back up. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks when it's wet. For some of you guys that don't like the big look, for me, I like when my hair has a lot of volume. That's the reason why I bought the hair. I like the volume that it gives. I like when my hair is big. But for those of you who don't like that big mane look, I'm going to get my spray bottle and I'm gonna come back and show you guys how it looks when it's like completely wet. Okay, you guys, so I got my spray bottle and I'm gonna mist Look how I'm gliding through. You see how easy it is to detangle? You don't even have to use a comb. and the shedding is not that much. This is how much I got. Well, y'all probably can't see that. Let's see if, yeah, 3 strands, 4 strands. That's all I got. And look at the difference between a side that's poofy and how it looks when it's damped. I mean, I don't like this wet look, but for those of you guys that like a flat look, that's how it looks. I like my hair more on this side, so yeah. So that's really much the end of this review. I will give this hair a 9 out of 10. I would definitely recommend this hair. This is a very good quality hair for the price. I paid from a range of 50 to 70, I'm not sure, but for 2 bundles from 50 to $70, that is a great deal, because a lot of these hair companies are super expensive, from $200, $300, $400 for 2 bundles, much less 3 bundles. So that is a really affordable price. I know there's a lot of girls that are in college right now and trying to ball on a budget. A lot of people that have bills to take care of and don't have time, not even time, don't have money to waste on these hair that's going to do the same, you know, give you the same results as this. You know, it's virgin hair. It's good quality hair. Very good quality hair. So I would recommend this. I give this a 9 out of 10. And, you know, let me know what you guys think about this video. Let me know what you guys think about this video. Thumbs up this video if you like it. Share this video if you like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on all social medias. It will be linked down below. And thank you guys so much for watching, and see you on my next video.